Okay, so boxplot question. Now, it might be tempting to think that the information here is all you need to plot on the boxplot. Well, it's not quite that simple. The 8 is the lowest, so I can plot 8. And the lower quartile is 16, so that's fine. I can plot that. And the median 19, I can plot that. But then I'm not given the other two that I need to plot. So to work those out, I'm given the interquartile range is 4. Well, the interquartile range is the distance between the lower quartile and the upper quartile. And if the lower quartile is 16, then the interquartile range will tell us that the upper quartile has to be 20, because we just add that on. So it's going to be here. So I'm going to do my box. Now the range is the biggest, take away the smallest. So if the smallest is 8, then to work out what the highest is going to be, then I just get the range, which is 14, and add on to the 8. So 14 plus 8 is 22. So the highest value is at 22. There we go, and that's our box plot. So that's question 1 done. Or question A. Question B says, find how many students scored more than 20 marks. Well, 20 marks is our upper quartile. That means that 25% of the students scored more than 20 marks. So there are 140 students. So I just need to find out 25% of 140. And I can halve it, then halve it again, which is 35. So it's 35 students. Next one, question C. Estimate how many students scored less than 12 marks. So let's have a look at 12 marks. 12 marks is here. And 12 marks is halfway between the lowest value and the lower quartile. So we know there's 35 students who are in that quarter. And so we're going halfway there. Now we can't really say 17.5. That doesn't make much sense. So on this question, I would expect that you could either write 17 students or 18 students. And what am I going to say? I'm going to say 17 students. It doesn't actually matter which one you write down, because you've shown that it's 17.5. Well, you can't get half a student, so let's go for 17, or let's go for 18.